4%. Let's talk about another stock today, and that's Quality Dairy, one stock which has been quite a performer in the year 2015. In fact, it is today seeing a bit of selling pressure, but if you see its return in the last 1 year, it has been significant. Quality Dairy currently trading around 142 rupees per share. We earlier spoke to Mr. Suneet Shangle, CFO at Quality Limited, and when we asked him about what really changed in the year 2015, considering the kind of interest we saw in the stock particularly, then this is what he told us as far as the change in business strategy is concerned.
We were basically till 2012, we were basically a company which was more in an institutional space. At around March 2012, we started entering into B2C space only. And going ahead from almost a zero top line to almost 30% in retail that we achieved in FY15. I think the major focus on retail has helped us a lot in getting our company re-rated. So, from purely a B2B company to B2C company, and this new project that is coming up, which will be a pure value-added manufacturing hub, where we will be doing flavored milk, cheese, table butter. I think these are few things that has helped our company getting re-rated in 2015.
All right. So what lies ahead now as far as the year 2016 is concerned? And can you share some details about this new project that the company is now focusing on?
Basically, this project is for value-added products. As I told you, the product that we would be making here would be flavored milk, table butter, cheese in various variants, and Tetra Pak. So these are all high value-added products. Till now, what we were doing was either fresh dairy products or tea and skim milk powder. But with this project which is underway, where we think that the project would be completed by March 2017, I think the contribution to retail segment will increase substantially.
Can you share some numbers with us in terms of the revenue opportunity that you are seeing as far as this value added segment is concerned?
As of now, so I don't think we are in that position, because as I told you, these are all new products. But then the total capacity enhancement would be around 7.5 lakh rupees per day.
All right. We understand in the dairy business particularly, many big FMCG players are also entering. So how do you really aim to deal with the competition as we enter into the year 2016?
Dairy is a wide canvas business. Various research reports that have come in state that dairy is almost $84 billion or around 5 lakh crore business in India alone, out of which almost 80% is 80 to 85% is still organized. So there is a lot of traction, lot of hope for new dairy companies to come in. There is a lot of shift that is happening from unorganized to organized. So according to me, we do not compete with each other. We compete with the unorganized sector. And with this market industry growing at almost, demand in the industry going by almost 7 to 8%, production going up by almost 4%. So there is a huge scope for all new entrants to actually provide the product. The most important thing is that you need to have good quality products and consistently throughout. And if you have got that, you can actually sell whatever you produce.
You've also signed Akshay Kumar as your brand ambassador. Is that the kind of marketing, is that a part of the marketing strategy, and what lies ahead as far as your marketing strategy goes for year 2016?
We are relaunching with these new products that are coming in. These are all value-added products with a shelf life of more than 6 months. As of now, we are more concentrated towards northern India. And these products are having shelf life, to attract more and more customers. We will be doing even butter also, so where we would be in competition with the existing cooperatives. So, we require a full push for our products. So this is where one of the strategies was to bring in a strong brand ambassador. And there's where Akshay Kumar fits in.
And what are going to be your growth targets going forward for the investors who are watching it right now?
We have already, during this year, we have grown, our top line has grown up by almost 10% during the half year ended September 2000. And I think our growth should be in line with what we have already done. As far as 2017 and going ahead, we do not give any future guidances as a matter of principle.
Okay, can you share with us some details as far as your capex plan is concerned?
The existing project that is going on is around 500 crores, so out of which we have already spent a substantial amount of 150 crores on this. So the balance, I think, would be spent in next 2 years' time.
All right, so that was the management of Quality Dairy talking to us about their business plans going forward. So they are now going to be focusing more on the value-added segment. They're also working on a project which is expected to get completed by March 2017, and they are seeing good business opportunity on that front. With this, it's a wrap on this particular show, but don't go anywhere. After a quick break, we'll get you the views of Madhav Dhar, a veteran market expert, as to what is it that he's looking forward to in the year 2016.